First of all, guys, take a look at this cinematic film. Alright guys, you've seen this AI-generated cinematic film. You can also create realistic cinematic videos exactly like this, very easily, and in a complete step-by-step way. As you can see, the results are absolutely amazing. There are channels like this as well. This is a Chinese channel, and you can see that it has around 1 million subscribers. The views are also really good. As you can see, their videos are very realistic, and there are many similar channels getting really good views. Now let's check whether this channel is monetized. Yes, this channel is monetized, and you can see that its estimated monthly income is around $6.8K, which is quite high. And millions of views of this channel, you can check million views out. And the question is, can you create videos like this? Yes, absolutely. You can create these videos yourself in just 8 minutes. If you watch this complete 7 to 8 minute video, you'll learn exactly how to create these cinematic films about almost any animal. I'll provide you with the complete prompts and show you everything step by step. So let's get started and see how we can create these cinematic videos, build a channel like this, and get millions of views. Let's get started and learn exactly how you can create these cinematic videos and get millions of views. First of all, what you need to do is open the website. This is an amazing website for creating videos. You have a lot of options here, including face swap, image to video, text to video, and many other features that you can use to create videos. It's a really impressive website, and the results are also very good. I personally use this website myself. Their Seedance 2.5 model is especially amazing. You can create highly realistic, film-like videos with it, just like the one I showed you earlier. First, click on Login. After clicking Login, enter your email address, and then you'll have to complete a few basic formalities. Here, you'll be asked what you mainly want to use the platform for. These are just some basic questions. I mostly want to use text to video because I want to create YouTube videos, so I'll select that option. Once you select it, you can see that there are many different features available here. You can create avatar videos, image to video, character videos, video translator, image videos, and many other things. You also have features like voice cloning and text-to-speech, along with many other options that you can use on this platform. But now I'm going to show you the Seedance 2.5 feature and explain what benefits it offers. First, I'll click on Video, and then I'll select Text to Video. Now, I'm going to copy my first prompt. To create these prompts, what I'm going to do is first go to ChatGPT. This is my story, and I'll provide it to you. It will be available in my YouTube description and also in the comment section. You simply have to copy this prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, you'll get the complete lizard story along with all the prompts. As you can see, I now have 20 prompts. The stories, cinematic scenes, and everything else are ready. Now, let me show you how we can combine 5 prompts together and create a 30-second video as quickly as possible. Yes, we're going to create a 30-second video very quickly. Instead of copying and pasting one prompt, then another image, then the second prompt, and then the third prompt one by one, we're not going to do it that way. Instead, we'll copy the first 5 prompts together. So I'll select these 5 prompts and copy them. Once I've copied them, I'll come back to the website. After coming back to the website, I'll select the prompt section and paste all the prompts here. Then, I'll check all the settings, including the size and other options. You can adjust these settings according to your own requirements. As you can see, there are many different options available here, including shot type, camera movement, automatic settings, and even options that allow you to customize things yourself. There are many features available, but I'm going to keep things simple and show you the basic settings. So, what you need to do is set the size to 16:9, paste your prompt here, select 720p, and then click on Generate. It will take a little while, but not too long. The video will start generating very soon. And let me tell you, the result is going to be amazing. And now, the result is right in front of you. You can see that it looks like a real movie or a cinematic film. The prompt was designed exactly for this kind of result. You can see that there is a huge animal, a giant lizard, that has appeared in a village. The villagers are scared and worried because of it. So this is how you can create cinematic results and really impressive AI films using this platform. Now I'll download this first part. In the same way, I'll copy the next scenes from scenes 6 to 10 and paste those scenes here. Once I paste those scenes, I'll set all the settings in the same way. You can adjust the settings according to your requirements. And make sure to turn audio on, because the background music and other audio elements will be generated along with the video. So you definitely need to turn the audio on. Now everything is ready. The audio and all the other settings are ready as well. So I'll click on Generate. The second video will also start generating. And now the second video is also ready. As you can see, the second part has been generated, and the result looks really amazing. So, this is how easily you can create AI videos using this platform. Now, I'm going to show you the next feature of Seedance 2.5, the 50 references feature. I'll explain what the benefit of this feature is and how you can use it. Listen, the 50 references feature is an amazing feature. One of the most powerful features of Seedance 2.5 is its support for up to 50 references in a single generation. You can use up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files at the same time. Simply provide all your references, and Seedance 2.5 will combine them into one consistent video while maintaining the characters, style, motion, environment, and audio direction you want. So, what I'm going to do is upload all my references together. The 10 audio files, 10 videos, and all the images. I'll upload all of these images, videos, and audio files together. Once I've uploaded everything, it will take a little while to process. And as you can see, after that, I'll simply write, animate this image with smooth camera movement and subtitles. This way, everything will be animated along with the subtitles. After that, I'll simply click on Generate, and the video will start generating. It will take a little while, but not too long. After some time, the result will start processing. And now the video is ready. You can see how amazing the result is. So you can easily create videos like this using this feature. Seedance 2.5 is one of their best models, so you can use this website to create AI videos very easily. I'll provide the link to this website in the description or in the comments, so you can easily access and use it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. They also have affordable packages, so you can check them out and use the platform. Thanks for watching.